Oh yeah, so here we are in Macau and we're standing on the bridge, so I'm actually standing here with my own feet, right? There's my white legs, black shoes, black pants. And what we're gonna do on this one is kind of tell you about that, tell you what's all going on here, and we're gonna walk down this bridge a little ways and kind of tell you all the stuff that's around. It's gonna be kind of cool. Okay, let's get started. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, where to start with this one? So first off, straight ahead is the this is called the governor of something. I can't remember the name of the bridge, but we'll put it down below. So basically this one is kind of a dragon, so it goes straight and then there's like a little thing like that, a big hump at the top. So if you can see way down there, you can see that some of them are taking this up like that. And that's supposed to be like the dragon's back or the dragon's tail, one of the two. So when you go up and then you descend, you descend right into those casinos, Grand Lisboa, MGM. So that was designed in the building to have this kind of dragon effect when you come in on it. Meanwhile, over here you can see parts of Macau, and then that's the Macau Tower, of course. And then all this stuff right here is all reclaimed land. So they bring in all this dirt and just put all this dirt in there. It's the same what they did in the middle of Coloane and Taipa and built the Cotai Strip. It's just all dirt, landfill, not landfill, reclaimed land they call it. I just put all this reclaimed land in there, and then they're gonna build some giant towers. Over there is Hengqin Island. So Hengqin Island is going to be a financial district. They're building quite a bit. You can see cranes all over the place over there. A lot of it's actually constructed now, but you still see a lot of cranes. There's some runners up there. So there's a lot of people run over this bridge as well, and they're also a running trail over there. But we're going to come back to that in a minute. So yeah, that's this is part of Hengqin, which is part of China, mainland China, Zhuhai. This is Macau. That's Macau. That hill over there is Zhuhai, China. That's all Macau. So Macau, and then that's all Macau as well, but way in the distance I can see, I think that's all Macau as well, but there's a mountain way over there. That's part of Zhuhai, China. There's a bridge to Hong Kong over there. So let's go down this way. This is the longer bridge. It goes from Taipa, that's where all the universities, some of the universities are at. And there's a bridge that goes kind of near the base of that, all the way to the border almost. And then there's another one that goes to Hong Kong, another bridge. So when you see all off the taxi, hello. More cranes over there because they're building more reclaimed land in that spot. Also the airport is over there. That right there used to be University of Macau up until 2013 or 2014. And then it changed to now it's City University and IFT, Institute of Fashion Technology. There's like several universities that are sharing that space now. That's the old casino that's no longer there. That's El Tira, it's a hotel with pretty good live music. That's all Taipa proper, it's all those tall buildings. It's all Central Taipa, and we're walking down the bridge and I got the zoom on like double speed so that you can zoom in a little bit. And so this bridge is something that you can walk, so there are people that will walk across. It takes me about 30 minutes, maybe 25 minutes. Look how full that bus is. Some of these buses can be quite full at this time. Straight ahead is called Taipa Pequena, and it's a mountain you can hike. And there's also roads that go up there, and we're gonna go up to that one right there. We're gonna walk up. Hopefully we can take an escalator, but it's supposed to close at 6 o'clock. And then when we get up there, I think we're gonna have a good view of the city, but we'll see what happens for that. So that's Ocean Gardens, that's part of Macau, and that part of Macau they call it Taipa. So that's Hengqin, China, Zhuhai. That's Ocean Gardens, Taipa, Macau, and there's a waterway that's there. So we kind of have a lot of waterways. We have the Macau Peninsula, part of Macau, Taipa, part of Macau, and then Zhuhai, China, Hengqin Island over there. And there's some waterway, and that separates Hengqin Island from, oh, there's a plane going up over there as well. Must be from the Zhuhai airport. Macau airport is over here, so if a plane, and the Zhuhai airport is over that way. I guess there could also be planes from Zhuhai. There's like 3 major airports: Hong Kong, but I think Hong Kong would be quite a bit up higher from at this point. But the Hong Kong airport's only maybe 20 kilometers away or something like that. So check this out. Oh, this is the name of our bridge. Bridge Governor Nobre de Carvalho, 1974. This would be kind of a cool little beach right there. It smells like fish. It's like somebody, some rocks or something dropped in there. Okay. So that's the bridge that we just went on. And 60 kilometers, okay. Speed sign, 60 kilometers an hour, 30 minimum. So that's all private property. I think it's just never got developed. But you can see like kind of same look as this side. Okay, so let's just walk down this way. So Koloan, so this also, the Koloan is the very southern part. And Taipa Centro, all those tall buildings are Taipa. So we're gonna walk down. Got lots of hikers and bikers. And so we got all kinds of people using these trails. So this whole trail goes all the way down to that bridge over there. So if you see that bridge also goes from Taipa to Macau. So there's 3 of them. There's one there, there's one here, and there's one over there. So there's 3 bridges between Taipa and Macau. And this whole trail right here goes all the way between those 2. So you can bike it, you can do biking, you can do skating, running, walking. And I think that would be too far for us to go, but we're gonna definitely walk up to that spot and try to get a good viewpoint. And we'll show you what that looks like as well. And I think the sun will go down a little bit, so you'll be able to capture more of the view. Looks nice. There's Macau Tower right there. That's the bridge that we were just on. Okay. So let's go across the street a little bit. So that's our, it's actually kind of interesting because they have this whole trail right here. And then this has this amazing view of the Macau side. But once they build all this stuff, it'll be blocking the view. So that's Zone C. I think it's all reclaimed land, gonna be marked for apartments. Solve some of the housing issues here in this dense city. But yeah, that'll all be gone, I guess. Luckily we don't have any traffic here because they're taking the bridge, and this bridge will be kind of a shortcut to Taipa. So anybody that takes it this way will be let's see, probably usually these will be taxis, and they'll be going and taking that bridge. Only taxis and buses can take that bridge, so anybody else is not allowed. But I see some private cars. I guess they might be going, they're not going into Taipa. So probably what they'll do is they'll enter into this and then kind of go, maybe follow something over to that side. Don't know what. Okay. Actually, I'm not aware of a road that follows that path. So I think that if they came over here, maybe it's by accident. Sometimes when you're driving, they don't let you into the lane that you want to get into. So then you're pressured into the lane that you don't want to be in, right? So those could have been. So we have pedestrian right away right here. So the cars will stop. A lot of traffic right now, right? So we're gonna try to go up. And we're gonna go up to there. I heard that this closes at 6 o'clock. I saw a sign. It's kind of confusing, so we'll see if that's true or not. Now we wait. Nice little rain guard right here. I guess also you might have falling debris as well, because things could come down from the mountainside. Okay, let's just see. It's still stuck at 1, so that means that it might actually be closed. Let's see if we can get up there or not. Oh, it's moving now. Okay, good. Okay. Come on, elevator. Let's hope it's moving. Yeah, it's moving. Okay, good. So we're trying to go up there. So it says it's on G now, so open up the... Okay, good. That's a plus. And then you're gonna see, if you can, you can see a spiral staircase on the other side. See it? I'll show you when we get up to the top. So I don't know how much you can see right now, but soon we'll be at the top and we'll show you some views of the bridge that we were just on and give you another sense of Macau, right? There we go, we're already here. Good. That's good. Whew. This is why I was worried, because I saw this earlier. Okay, so this is the bridge we were on. So we started there, we saw that sandbar. Now you can have the bigger view of all of this right now. So that's all that reclaimed land, so they're gonna put a bunch of apartments there. And I hope that looks cool. I don't know what it's gonna look like. It's gonna transform the city though, because yeah, as I was like there, you can see all the people running, right? And basically in the past, you'd have this amazing view of the skyline of Macau, and soon that'll all be blocked. It's already a little bit blocked, and soon it'll be more blocked. But maybe, I don't know, maybe it'll be interesting. Maybe whatever they build here will have some kind of colossal colonial neon looking effect that might be interesting. Now we're overlooking Hengqin. You can see like the skyline is just littered with cranes everywhere. On that side, that's the Zhuhai China side. So China's preparing Zhuhai and Macau to be one city in the future. Oh, that looks kind of cool. There's a rooftop right there. So they're preparing it to be one city. So there's a lot of construction work over there. And then in the future, we'll see what happens. Could be really cool, but it depends on laws against foreigners. Hopefully it's foreigner friendly and we're allowed to continue to live here if we make our life here. It's kind of this fear of all foreigners, every country in the world, I guess. So there we go, there's the skyline, and that's that bridge that we're just on. I don't know if I should go a little further and show you more, but this is a pretty nice place to stop, and we're at 12 minutes, so I think that's it right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.